Good afternoon. Good afternoon to everyone. We are going to study about the social learning theory by Bandura. The social learning theory of Bandura emphasizes the importance of observing and modeling the behavior, attitudes, and emotional reaction of others. Bandura 1977 states that learning be exceedingly laborious, not to mention hazardous. People had to rely solely on the effects of their own actions to inform them what to do. Fortunately, most human behavior is learned observationally through modeling. From observing others, one forms an idea of how new behaviors are performed, and on later occasion, this coded information serves as a guide for actions. Social learning theory explains human behavior in terms of continuous reciprocal interaction between cognitive behavior and environmental influences. The component processes underlying observationally learning are: number one, attention, including model events. Yes, distinctiveness, affective balance, complexity, prevalence, functional value, and observer, characteristic, sensory capacity, arousal level, perceptual set, past reinforcement. Number two, attention, including the symbolic coding, cognitive organization, symbolic rehearsal, motor rehearsal. Number three is the motor reproduction, including physical capabilities, self-observation of reproduction, accuracy of feedback, and last one is the motivation, including external carriers and self-enforcement. Because it encompasses attention, memory, and motivation, social learning theory spans but both cognitive and behavioral frameworks. Bandura theory improves upon the strictly behavior interpretation modeling provided by Miller and Dollard in 1941, but there was work related to the theories of Vygotsky and Leigh, which also emphasized the central rule of social learning, scope application. Social learning theory has been applied extensively in understanding the aggression, Bandura 1973, and psychology disorder, particularly in the context of behavior modification, Bandura 1969. It is also a theoretical foundation for the technique of behavior modeling, which is widely used in training programs. In recent years, Bandura has focused his work on the concept of self-efficacy in a variety of contexts. Bandura 1997. Example, the most common and pervasive examples of social learning situation and television commercials. Commercials suggest the drinking of a certain beverage, of using particular hair shampoo, will make us popular and win the admiration of attractive people, depending upon the component of process involved, such as attention or motivation. We may model the behavior shown in the commercial and buy the product being advertised. Principles. The highest level of observational learning is achieved by first organizing and rehearsing the model behavior symbolic and enacting it overtly. Coding model behavior into words, labels, or images result in better retention than simply observing. Individuals are more likely to adopt a model behavior if it is result in outcome value. Individuals are like adopt a model behavior if the model is similar to the observer and has admired status behavior as functionally valid. That's all, and this is all about the social learning theory, how to socialize other, how to communicate other people by observing them, and how to react with their emotional feelings, and how to learn from them, how to observe, and how to motivate other people within the external processes. That's all. Thank you.